Oh, we're back with another unboxing, and this one's getting a little weird because I don't know what's going on. Welcome to Pickin' and Punchin'. I am the Scoundrel Rod Grimes. I'm an independent professional wrestler. I'm also a modern day treasure hunter. And today, we got one of my favorite videos to do. That is a CGC unboxing. So, at the beginning of this video, I said this is going to be a little weird. And the reason for that is I don't know what's going on. I sent in 33 books last August. 13 of them to be pressed and graded with a custom label. The other 20 were going to be just regular pressed and graded. Now, because of that, they put them in 2 separate boxes and shipped them out. Well, when I logged on to CGC's website, now I don't look at any of the grades, it said that they shipped me out 14 books. And then my other order had 19 books. But I don't know what's going on, so I don't know if they mixed the books together or if they put a custom label on something they shouldn't have. So today we're going to find out and jump into this. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, we do tons of unboxings, yard sales, thrifting, all kind of reselling content as well. We do grade books to keep for our personal collection, but also to resell. So make sure you guys like this video, subscribe, you get a lot of good tips about what's going on and how to make some money in the hobbies. Just so you guys know, I have not looked at any of these grades. So these books have been there for a year now. When I pull them out, I'm going to cover the grade up. I'll show you guys first so you guys can see my reaction. And in the bottom corner here, I'll keep a running tab of what these books are valued. Let's see what this one is here now. All right. So this is a Venom book. I'm expecting a very high grade in this one. If I don't get a 9.8, I'm going to be very disappointed. Because these things look like they were mint when I sent them in. And what do we got? 9.8. All right. Does have a little Newton ring there in the center there, but what an awesome book with the custom label, man. Look at that. CGC 9.8 with the Venom label. So super happy about that. Off to a good start. Now I know there should be another one of these in here. All right, so this is my second Venom here. Once again, if this is not a 9.8, I'm going to be extremely disappointed because these things were mint. I mean, I thought these things looked perfect. Okay, show you guys first. What do we get? And a 9.8. Awesome, man. 9.8 with the custom label there. One hell of a start to this freaking, to this unboxing, man. Let's keep it going. Man, I am super pumped, man. I'll probably keep one of those and sell the other one. All right, what do we got here? Okay. This is the XMen first appearance of Bishop. Well, actually, first cover appearance. I mean, depends who you argue with. But first cover appearance of Bishop. Let's see what we got here. This should be a high grade. 9.6, 9.8. I'm selecting 9.8. 9.8. Awesome. Oh, 9.8 with the custom XMen label there, as you can see. Awesome book from 1991. So they get a 9.8, a book that's been sitting around for 30 years. It's pretty awesome. Hell yeah, great start, man. 3 for 3. All right, we got another same book here. So we got another one right here, XMen 282. Let's see here. And it should be a 9.8. Oh, man. What a great freaking start. 9.8s. Again, custom label. X-Men are coming to the MCU. And this is a great start, man. All right, this is X-Men number 4. First appearance of Omega Red. I'm expecting this to get a 9.8 too. This came from the same lot. So let's see what we get. And 9.8. Woo. 9.8 with the custom X-Men label on there, man. I mean, that is awesome. I'm very intrigued to see if there's 13 books in here, if they just miscounted, or if there's an extra book in here. I don't know what's going on with this order, so we're going to find out. I think there's one more Omega Red in here. Once again, hopefully this is a 9.8. Came from the same lot as the other ones there. I bought out a huge collection, and what do we get? Oh, 9.6. The corner's a little nicked. Okay. Still, 9.6. Has a little nick in the corner. And I think last time I looked, I think a 9.6 goes for roughly about $100 or so. I could be wrong though. That was a while ago. So what do we got here? Mighty Thor. I don't know. This is what, Thor book? Not sure what Thor book this is or why I sent it in. So I think it's from 1989 though. What do we get? 9.8. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, this is actually a good book. First appearance of the New Warriors with the custom Thor label. Juggernaut appearance. Beta Ray Bill backup story. So with a 9.8 custom label. I do remember, I think I got maybe one or two more Thor books in here, but I'm not sure what they are. I actually totally forgot I sent that book in there. So, all right, Spider-Man #1 Unlimited. This is probably, assuming this might be feels like it's moving around. All right, I think this one may be a 9.6, to be honest with you. I'm hoping a 9.8, but I think it's like a 9.6. See what we get here. 9.6. Yeah, I kind of felt it was going to be that. I saw a corner nick. But man, what a sharp looking book, man. Spider-Man Unlimited #1. Love the custom label there. This is first appearance of Shriek. See what we get next. Spider-Man 344. If I'm not mistaken, this is first appearance of Cletus, maybe? Which eventually turns into Carnage. I'm assuming this is probably a 9.6. What do we get here? 9.6. Custom label. I remember sending this one in. I didn't think it was going to get a 9.8. Just based on, I had a little fade on it. First appearance of Cletus Cassidy. Eventually turns into Carnage. So, yeah, cool book. 9.6. All right, let's see here. This is Thor 411. I don't remember what this one is. I know it has, I think it has to do with Juggernaut in it, but what do we got? I think this one was in really good condition. Probably a 9.8, 9.6. What do we get? 9.6. Okay. Cannot stop the Juggernaut. First appearance of the New Warriors on the last page. An appearance of Juggernaut. So, once again, man, awesome cover. Custom label. All right, what do we got here? Amazing Spider-Man 315. All right. I think this is one with Eddie in it, if I'm not mistaken. I'm thinking this one's going to be a 9.6. But maybe a 9, possible candidate for 9.8. Let's see here, what do we get? And we got a 9.6. I just remember these. There's something slightly off with these ones. I don't know, man. This thing looks mint on the front here. There's maybe a little indentation there. But Venom and Hydro appearance. But Amazing Spider-Man can't go wrong with the custom label. McFarlane cover. That's why I sent that in. McFarlane cover. So, awesome. All right. Here we go. This is Thor 390. If you guys remember, I actually had this in another video. I had the newsstand, which got a 9.8. This came from the same collection. I think it's going to be a 9.6. I think a little nick on the back corner there. Potentially 9.8, but let's see here. What do we get? And 9.6. 9.6 with the custom label there. Thor 390. Awesome. Cool book. This is the book where Captain America picks up Thor's hammer from 1988. All right, so there's 12 books here, and there feels like there's 2 more in here. I gotta find the invoice in here someplace. Maybe there's not an invoice in here. This is weird. This is super. Oh, maybe there is. We'll look at that here in a second. But I don't know what's going on here, so. All right. This is Amazing Spider-Man 293. Let me see this one. All right, so this came from that same Amazing Spider-Man collection. I'm assuming that the rest of them were 9.6s. I'm hoping a 9.8, but it's probably be a 9.6. What do we get? 9.4. Ah, black cover. Black covers are always more difficult, man, to get a high grade on. From 1987. It's from the Craven story. Craven and Venom appearance. So I remember sending this one in because about the rumors of the Craven movie coming out. And still a cool cover, man. So 9.4. Expecting a higher grade on that one, but I mean, out of this box so far, I've got 1.94. Not gonna complain. So, right. Amazing Spider-Man 294. This is the death of Craven, I think. The end of the Craven saga. Yeah, I mean, this has got to be a 9.6, 9.8. I mean, these are all high grade when I send them in. And what do we get? 9.6. Man, all my Amazing Spider-Mans come back at 9.6. I cannot get a 9.8 to save my life, man. I do see 2 little spine ticks on here, so it makes sense. 9.6, Death of Craven the Hunter. Right there. So this book should be hot once that movie trailer drops. So I'm glad I got these back and got them graded for now. Custom label. All right, so let's check this out. Here's the weird thing. This is so bizarre. My original order that I had only showed 13 books on the order slip. And this order slip has 14 books on it. So I don't know, maybe have I missed something when I send it in? So 6 books at a 9.8. That gives us 8 books at a 9.6 and 1 book at 9.4. I am super happy with that. I mean, I am not complaining. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure you guys like and subscribe. And check out this other unboxing that we just did. And stay tuned because we got a lot more boxes coming. Till next time, guys.